Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you everyone? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiya, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English language class for the students of class 3. Dear students, look here, our subject is English language and our topic chapter 1 exercise number 5, 6. Today we are going to do it is our lecture number 3 and SW number 2. Okay. Let's start our class. Look, follow this book please. Here exercise number 5. Here we have found an exercise there. We have found that complete these phrases with words from the box. Okay dear students, look. Here in this box we have found some clues. And what are they? First one name is what? Pack. Then bunch. Then next one pile. Then heart, crowd, team. So dear students, here we have found some clues in this box. Then you will get these gaps. Okay, you have to fill these gaps by using these clues. Okay, you have to take help from these clues and you have to fill this gap by using these clues. Okay, so number one number it has done for you. Look here, a gap of flowers. Here we have found the word bunch. In this gap you have to write what? Bunch. So from this box we have taken the help of this word bunch. We have to put the word bunch in this gap and the sentence will be a bunch of flowers. Okay. Then number 2, a dash of owls. Look dear students, from this box we have to take pack to fill this gap. Okay, so the sentence is a pack of owls. So here we have to write pack. Then look number 3, a dash of cattle or a gap of cattle. Which word we have to put here? Yes, from this box we will take the word heart. Okay, then we have to put it here in this gap. So the sentence will be a herd of cattle. Okay, a herd of cattle. Then number 4, a dash of books. Which word we can put here in this gap? Yes dear students, from this box we can take, we have to put the word, which one? Pie. Okay. So this is the right word which we have to put it in number 4. Number 4 nouns gap. Okay, a pile of books. Then number 5, a gap of people. Which word we have to put here from this box? We have to take the help of the word crowd and we have to put it here. So the sentence will be a crowd of people. Then number 6, a gap of cricketers. Which word we can put here? Yes, from this box we will take the help of the word team. Okay, and then we have to put it here, a team of cricketers. So the sentence is what? A team of cricketers. I am going to read this gap once again. A pack of owls, a herd of cattle, a pile of books, a crowd of people, a team of cricketers. So you have to write like this way. Okay. Then exercise number 6. Look here, circle the word that does not go with the collective nouns in color. Okay. Look dear students, you have to read the question carefully. Circle the word that doesn't go with the collective nouns in color. So first one has done for you, a flock of sheep, birds or deer. Yes, here the right answer is what? Deer. Like this way, number 2, a pile of dishes, flowers or clothes. Which one is the correct answer, or which word you have to circle? Yes, we have to circle here flowers. Then number 3, a litter of cats, kittens or puppies. Which word we have to circle here? Yes, a litter of cats. Okay. Then number 4, a stack of boxes, chairs, sheep. Which word is correct here that we have to circle? Yes, here. Third number word, sheep. Okay, a stack of sheep. We have to a stack of what? ships. Here we have to circle this. Okay. Now look our number 5 noun. Okay, 5 noun word. A set of, is it tools, people or teeth? Which one? So dear students, the correct answer we have to circle here, people. A set of people. Okay, then number 6, a herd of lions, elephants or cows. Which one is the correct answer here? Yes, lions. So here we have to circle the word lions. Then number 7, a team of ants, doctors, footballers. Which one is the correct here? Which word we have to circle here? Of course, ants. Then number 8, a swarm of bees, flies, foxes. Which word is the correct? We have to circle here the word foxes. Okay. Now I am going to read this topic once again. A flock of, here, deer. This word deer we have to circle. Okay. Number 2, a pile of flowers. Here we have to circle the word flowers. Number 3, a litter of cars. We have to circle it. We have to circle the word cars. Then number 4, a stake of ships. We have to circle it. The word of sheep. Okay. Then number 5, a set of people. We have to circle here. Then number 6, a herd of lions. We have to circle here. Number 7, a team of ants. We have to circle here. Then number 8, a swarm of what? Foxes. We have to circle here. Okay, then go to the next exercise. Exercise number 7. Look here. Complete these sentences with collective nouns from the box. So you have to complete these sentences with these collective nouns. Okay, which you have seen in this box. Okay. Now look, number 1. The teacher carried the gap of books to the staff room. Okay, here first one is done for you. The correct answer you have to write here pile. From this box you have to take the help of the word pile and you have to put this here. Okay, in this gap. The teacher carried the pile of books to the staff room. Then number 2, a gap of people collected around the site of the accident. Okay, you have to write here crowd. Okay, from this box you have to write here crowd. Then number 3, there was a gap of chicks at the farm. You have to write here what? Brood. Okay, you have to take help from the word brood and you have to write here brood. Please get me the gap of cards from the drawer. So you have to write here pack. From the help of this word pack, you have to write here pack. Okay, please get me the pack of cards from the drawer. Then look, a gap of fig trees can be seen from our window in Ranikhet. You have to write here clump. A clump of fig trees can be seen from our window in Ranikhet. Number 6, from the ship we could see a gap of whales going in one direction. Here you have to write, from the ship we could see a school of whales going in one direction. Then number 7, there was a gap of mosquitoes near the dirty pond. From this box, which word we can take to fill these gaps? Yes, fill this gap. To fill this gap, we can take the help of this word swarm. There was a swarm of mosquitoes near the dirty pond. Dear students, this exercise you will get as your what? As your SW word. Okay, that means look here, dear students, only as your SW work you will get exercise 7. You have to do exercise 7, write only answer in your copy, in your SW copy. In your SW copy you have to write only the answer from exercise 7. So exercise 7 is your SW word. Okay, you have to do this by yourself. Okay, I am just discussing about exercise 7, but you have to do this, okay, by yourself, and you have to write only answer. And so it is your SW word, and you have to submit this on next Saturday. So dear students, I think you have understood up to this topic. Keep practicing this at your home. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.